Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks, as my mom used to say. It is Monday, December 23rd at 6:50 in the morning. Welcome to my channel, Relearning to Draw After 55, and we are continuing on with the self-published coloring book. So this one's going to be a barnyard chicken and a barnyard. So I'm going to take you through all the drawings. They're all going to be hand done and hand inked. I have to publish a children's coloring book off Amazon Publishing, I think is what it's called. So I've just briefly looked at the requirements on how to and all that. So it's going to be a process, and I'll show you, maybe not screenshot step by step, but we'll go through it once I get to that point. I plan on doing about 30 or 35 drawings for this book. So today I've got my tea, and let's continue on with the process. So it's not only going to be like chickens, ducks, cows. I'll have a raccoon in there somewhere, probably, and a possum, because you run across those in barnyards. Bats, barn swallows. There's all kinds of critters roaming around a farm. Growing up, I wouldn't say we had a farm per se. We had about an acre garden. When I was really young, before my dad passed away, we had a couple cows. We had chickens, of course, lots of chickens, turkeys, geese, ducks, and we had guineas. Those are good alarm birds. They'll alert you to anything coming near your property. And coyotes. They would come pretty close to the house, and Mom used to say 2 would sound like a dozen. They were loud, and I like the sound of the coyotes in the night. Might do a moonscape. I remember growing up, it snowed one winter really good, and the moon was full, and we shot some bottle rockets up into the air, and the smoke, the sparkles from the flames and the explosion were beautiful in the winter night sky. And then the smoke would just lay down on the countryside, and it was a beautiful sight. So as I continue this journey, again, I encourage you to start a hobby or continue a hobby. Make time for it. It helps relax and get your day going. So here's my final project for today, and we'll continue on.